Hi friends, happy Wednesday. Are you ready to do some math with me this morning? Okay, Gabe collects 35 rocks. Rose collects 39 rocks. Who collects fewer rocks? Two more times. Gabe collects 35 rocks. Rose collects 39 rocks. Who collects fewer rocks? Gabe collects 35 rocks. Rose collects 39 rocks. Who collects fewer rocks? Yesterday we talked about the greater number. Today it looks like we're going to talk about which one has fewer. So fewer, like we talked about yesterday, is the smaller number who has less. So tell me what's some important information in our question. Right, 35 rocks is important information, 39 rocks, and of course the question's important, who collects fewer rocks? I want you to take a minute and just on a blank sheet of paper, maybe you could draw me a picture, maybe you just know in your head who has fewer rocks. So go ahead, I'm going to give you a minute. You can either draw a picture or you can just maybe write down who has fewer rocks. But remember, we're not looking for the greater number today. We're looking for the smaller number. Who has fewer rocks? Okay, so hopefully you drew a picture or you just know. And who has fewer rocks? Gabe has fewer rocks. Okay, missing my cameraman today, so I'm all by myself here. Now, I'll read it one more time. Gabe collects 35 rocks. Rose collects 39 rocks. Who collects fewer rocks? Yesterday we looked at the tens place. But if you look at the tens place today, they each have 3 tens. So now we need to move over to the ones place to see. So we're comparing 39 and 35. Right here we are. So if you look over at the little chart that they wrote for us, we see that the tens places are the same, but the ones are different. Which one has fewer or less? You're right, 5. 5 ones is less than 9 ones. You can use the less than symbol. So we talked about the little crocodile yesterday. So the crocodile, when it's facing this way with its mouth wide open, that's the greater than number. Now when we say less than, that's the little point here that's pointing to the 5. When you don't see his mouth wide open facing a number, that means it's less than. So 5 ones is less than 9 ones. Okay? Now, I wrote on my piece of paper 35, and my circle in the middle, and 39. So I want you to draw the greater than, less than symbol in the right direction. Remember, if it's the crocodile, open mouth, he eats the bigger number, and then the little pointed part is less than, and that should be pointing towards the smaller number. Okay, hopefully you're writing. Okay, make sure you draw your symbol right in the circle. And I'm hoping this is what you drew. Crocodile teeth this way because he's eating the bigger number, greater than, less than. greater than, less than. Okay. So on the bottom it says blank collects fewer rocks than, so who collected fewer rocks? Right, Gabe. Gabe collects fewer rocks than Rose. Okay, doing great so far. Here we go. Buzz and Boom. I know how much you guys love Buzz and Boom. I can hear you right now. You're all sighing and not happy, but here we go. Buzz collects 28 rocks. Boom collects 41 rocks. Buzz says he has more rocks than Boom because 8 is greater than 1. Do you agree? Why or why not? Buzz collects 28 rocks. Okay, so Buzz has 28 rocks. Boom has 41. Buzz says he has more rocks than Boom because 8 is greater than 1. Let me hear what you think. Okay, now, Boom is right about one thing. He is right that 8 is greater than 1. So that's correct. But if you look at Buzz's 10, he has only 2 10s. Boom has 4 10s. So we have to look at our 10s first. The only time Buzz would be right is if his number in the 10 spot, which is 2, was the same, and they're not the same. Boom has a lot more rocks than Buzz. And another way we could do that is we could draw a picture. So Buzz has 28. There's my 2 sticks for 10s. Oh, I can write Boom up here so we know. Sorry, I'm having a little trouble, my friends, today because I'm holding, oh, I did that opposite. This is not Boom, this was Buzz. Sorry, Mrs. Tor's having a little trouble holding the camera and drawing pictures here. So Boom had 41. So this is another way you could draw a picture and you can see clearly that Boom has a lot more rocks than Buzz. So you can look at the numbers and look at the 10 spot and 1 spot, or you can draw a picture, or you can just know that that 41 is a much bigger number than 28. Sorry, Buzz, we tricked you. Okay, we're gonna do this one quickly together. And then I'm going to give you some time on the bottom to do that by yourself. Compare 62 and 67. Which number is less? 62 has 6 10s, 2 1s. 67 has 6 10s and 7 1s. So we're not looking at the 10s place because look, they're both they're both the same. But if you look at the 1 spot, we have a 2 and a 7. Blank 1s is less than blank 1s. So which one is smaller? You're right, 2 1s is less than 7 1s. So look at this little picture here. I'm gonna draw it over here for you. They already gave you the greater than, less than symbol. So this means the number is bigger. This means this number is smaller. Okay, my numbers are 62 and 67. 67 goes here. Oh, you're right, I was wrong. 67 goes here because it is the bigger number, or the greater. 62 goes here because it is smaller. Okay, now it's your turn. I'll help you with this part here. Compare 98 and 94. Which number is less? Okay. Let's look at 98 first. How many 10s in 98? You're right. 9 10s, 8 1s. How many 10s in 94? You're right. 9 10s and 4 1s. Okay. Blank ones is less than blank ones. Which one spot is less? 8 ones or 4 ones? Which one is less? The smaller number. You're right. 4 ones is less than 8 ones. Okay, here's what I want you to do all on your own. I want you to tell me what number goes here. You can write it or you can just tell me right now. What number do you think goes here? Remember to look at your symbol. This is less than. This means it's greater than. What number goes here? I hope you told me 94. Okay, what number goes here? 98. Good. Okay, great job.